In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account in QuickBooks Online. This quick and easy guide will take you step by step through the process, ensuring you can manage user accounts effectively within just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, we have to start by navigating to the QuickBooks Online platform. Open your favorite web browser and head to the QuickBooks Online login page. You'll want to begin by clicking on the Sign In button. This button is usually prominently displayed and should be easy to find. Once you click, you'll be taken to the login page. Next, you're going to choose QuickBooks Online if prompted to specify which QuickBooks product you're accessing. This is a critical step as it ensures you're directed to the right service for the account management tasks you need to perform. After selecting QuickBooks Online, you'll need to enter your login credentials, type in your email or user ID and your password carefully. Once you've done that, press the Continue button to proceed. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks Online homepage. The next step is to go to the Settings. Look for a gear icon, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and click on it to access a variety of options. From this menu, you'll select Manage Users. This option is crucial as it allows you to control the accounts that have access to your information. Now that you're in the Manage Users section, you'll see a list of all the users associated with your account. Focus your attention on the Actions column, typically found towards the right side of the user list. This column provides you the functionality you need to perform various tasks related to user accounts. At this point, you'll be able to see an option to delete a user. Carefully identify the user you want to remove and look directly across to the Actions column where you should find a delete option or similar command. Click on it. Before the deletion process is completed, you'll likely be prompted to confirm that you want to remove this user from the account. This act of confirming is a helpful check to ensure you don't accidentally delete a user you intended to keep. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to remove a user account in QuickBooks Online. This process is not only efficient but also vital for maintaining the security and relevance of your user database. Be sure to periodically review your user list to ensure only the right people have access to your QuickBooks data. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your accounts.